Hello all, I Dr. Sarika Panwar welcome you in the video lectures of machine learning. In last video lecture we have seen that how Bayes theorem acts as a cornerstone for Bayes learning. Today we will discuss the maximum or posterior probability. By using Bayes theorem we find the probability of hypothesis function given the data, and that we find based on the probability of the data given hypothesis multiplied by the probability of hypothesis that we call the prior probability divided by the probability of data. If we know these three parameters, then we can easily find the posterior probability, that is probability of the hypothesis function h, the most probable hypothesis given the training data. This is the goal of the Bayesian learning. We find the most probable hypothesis when the training data is given to us. In hypothesis space we are available with suppose 4 or 5 hypothesis functions. Then we have to find the probability of every hypothesis function, and we have to select the hypothesis function which has got the maximum probability, and that is nothing but the maximum or posterior probability theorem. So HMAP, that is maximum or posterior probability, that is equal to argmax of H belongs to space capital H, probability of hypothesis function H given D. So if we are available with n number of hypothesis function in hypothesis space capital H, then we find the probability of each and every hypothesis function, and we choose the one which has got the maximum probability. So this formula probability of H by D is replaced with probability of D by H into probability of H divided by probability of D. So this is actually the probability of data. So ultimately the equation become H map is equal to argmax probability of D by H into probability of H. And if every hypothesis in this equation, now in this equation there are 3 terms, and by using these 3 terms we get the probability of hypothesis function, and from that we have to find the function which has got the maximum probability. We have to select the function which has got the maximum probability. But in this case, this probability of H, that is the probability of hypothesis function, and if we consider that all the hypothesis function has got the equal probability, that is if every hypothesis in H is equally probable a priori, so we need to consider the likelihood of data D only. So with this, now this equation will become argmax of probability of D by H, because if this is equally probable, then it will become 1. Okay. So then HMAP will become maximum likelihood. So this is the case of, this is the equation of maximum likelihood, wherein it is argmax of probability of capital D given H. What is map learner? For each hypothesis H in capital H, this capital H is nothing but our hypothesis space, we calculate the posterior probability by using this equation, and we output the hypothesis H map with the highest probability. So this is the equation of the map learner. So map learner, it is computationally intensive. It provides a standard for judging the performance of the learning algorithm, and choosing P of H and P of D by H reflects our prior knowledge about the learning task, that is about the maximum or posterior probability, maximum likelihood, and maximum or posterior probability learner. Thank you. If you like the content of this video, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.